In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know if a message is read on LinkedIn. This is a straightforward tutorial, and I'll walk you through exactly what to look for so you can tell, at a glance, whether your message has been seen. Go ahead and open your LinkedIn mobile app and sign into your account. For this demonstration, I'll open an existing conversation so you can clearly see how the read indicator appears. Quick note before we begin: if you want to send a message to someone you're not connected with, you generally need a premium subscription to send an InMail. For this tutorial, I'm using a second account just to show you how the indicators change when a message is sent and then read. Inside your messages, open a conversation and type a quick message. After you tap send, look to the right side of your message bubble. You'll see a small check mark. That check mark simply confirms that your message was successfully sent. It doesn't mean it's been read yet, it just means it left your device and reached LinkedIn's servers. Now here's the important part. When the person you messaged opens your conversation and views that message, the single check mark changes. Instead of a check, you'll see a tiny version of their profile photo or a small circular avatar on the right side of your message. That change from a check mark to their profile icon is your read receipt. It's LinkedIn's way of telling you, yes, the recipient has seen your message. If you have the conversation open while they read it, you might notice the icon update in real time. If you don't see it change right away, give it a moment or reopen the conversation. Sometimes a short delay can happen depending on your connection. If the icon remains a single check mark, that means the message hasn't been opened yet. So to recap in simple terms, check mark means sent, profile icon means read. That's all you need to verify whether your message has been seen by the recipient. This small visual cue is consistent across conversations and makes it easy to track responses without guessing. And that's it. That's how to know if a message is read on LinkedIn. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.